Hi everyone, so today I was going to make a video explaining to you guys the importance of having some actual stiffness to the foot. And this comes to be some controversy amongst people because they don't necessarily grasp the understanding. So I was having a conversation with an old patient of mine and we were talking about, what is the importance of actually really getting in and stretching and grasseting and manual therapy to the bottom of the foot. And I said there serves a purpose, but in reality, we really want to have some stiffness in the foot, especially the tendons that support the foot and the ligaments that support the foot. Tendons love tension. So if we don't have a rigid lever to push off of and we don't have some sort of stiffness in the foot, especially when we're running, we develop things like Lisfranc fractures, stress fractures in the metatarsals, and I'm sure some of you have had them in the past. Now, the funny thing is the patient that I was talking to about this, he has very flat feet. So of course his question was, should I be getting something like this on a continuous basis? And I said, no. And he said, So I wanted to explain a couple of things. We have these two main arches in the foot. So we have this longitudinal arch that runs here on the inside. And then we have this one on the top right across here. That's our transverse arch, okay? And they're really important in maintaining a rigid lever when we have to push off when we're running or walking. Now, when we go and we heel strike when we're walking to mid stance, when we're running, same thing, walking or running, we need it to be like a bag of bones, right? We need to absorb the force. And then when we push off with our toes, we need to have some sort of stiffness in that foot to push off. Now, if we are a bag of bones and loosey-goosey through that whole thing, we're going to develop things like fractures, like the Lisfranc fractures I was talking to you guys about earlier, or I'm going to develop stress fractures. So the real answer is I need to strengthen my feet. I need to strengthen the intrinsic muscles, the small muscles between the toes here. I need to do muscles that support the arch, so my posterior tibialis tendon, my flexor hallucis longus, so the big toe push off is very important as well. Now, mobility plays a part in this here, but I wanted to talk to you primarily about the importance of having some sort of stiffness in the foot. It's okay to have stiffness in the foot. We need to have stiffness in the foot. If you guys have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below.